Hey guys, this is the quick guide of our API. So first you have to maybe download this sample APK here. That APK is like this. So there's a login account already here, so just press the login and you are in the wallet. So I have another wallet login here in the screen, and then so here the screen is let's say this is the merchant, and then generate a receive payment transaction. You want to get paid 20 peso like this, and it will create a QR code. So that QR code, you should, from the app, you have to pay and then scan, and then once you scan this QR here, it will load the amount and the receiver's account code, and then you select which wallet you want to use to pay this. So I pay using my PHP wallet, and then pay, and it says successful. So from the transaction in the backend, it will show you the callback. I simulated the callback here as discussed last night, and then that callback is posting this app ID, transaction ID, status, invoice number. So so that's the process. So here from the history, the wallet here also shows that you paid 20 here. So let's go from the quick guide. So just download this data here and plug it to Postman. Postman.data is like this. So you go to authentication, and first you need to execute this authentication to create a token. So to generate token, use this as endpoint and send this parameter here. This parameter is app ID. You should use this app ID and key here, and then unique timestamp. This is your test email and password. Account ID should be 1, like that, and hash is generated using this pattern. So generate that and send a request to this endpoint. So this is the sample, so I'll send this, and then it will return this data here. So this data is this, it gives you this information. This is the next information that you need for request payment API. Create QR. That create QR is this demo here that I showed you earlier. Receive payment 40 and create this. So if you want to create an app that uses this API, then just follow this. So hit this endpoint, and then transaction type is 3. So, and then wallet method ID is 0. You should use 0 here because this particular transaction doesn't have a method ID. Just put 0 here. So this is the sample assembly of the request. So follow these parameters and then send a request, and then it will give you this response. It will give you the QR code, and then you can embed this to a window that pull this data from this URL. So just download this app so you can test also the app that I used for this demo.